Welcome back to the channel. Got the engine and transmission back in last night. No real issues. Pretty easy to mount an engine in a Mark 1 compared to Mark 2 since there's no real front subframe. Yeah, there's actually loads of room back here anyways. Here's you can see the prop shaft clearing the steering rack. Heavily modified Ep3 mount. I actually don't understand how you can make something fit so bad, because if would have used the Ep3 mount as it was delivered, the engine would be like somewhere around here, I believe, there. So I wanted as much space on this side as possible since the turbo sits here. There will be charge pipes coming here to the intercooler, air filter. Yeah, I wanted space, so I moved everything as far to the driver's side as possible. So you can basically say that's a custom mount built by me. I'm also going to make a mount from this reinforcement bar up here to the block. Also, I'm gonna make something that goes from under the stock dog bone mount on the transmission to the mount that sits, that's original for the Mark 1. Something that some kind of uniball mount. And this mount also made by me. Lost the bolt that's supposed to go there, but it's safe with 2 bolts anyway. I had one issue. This is a prototype alternator bracket. The problem, the bracket's fine, but the problem is the alternator hits the reinforcement bar. Not really sure what to do about that. I'm hoping there's a smaller alternator from the Volkswagen Audi group that fits this mount, that's physically smaller in diameter. Maybe it'll fit, I don't know. Yeah, so that's an issue. Not really an issue, but gonna have to investigate something. I think maybe a Denso alternator from a like Toyota Yaris or Aigo or something would work. They're pretty small, physical size. Yeah, so everything looks good. Everything clears. I also got the rear subframe mounted last night. No diff in yet, but I just wanted it to have some weight in the back when I mounted the engine, so the car wouldn't like do a front flip on me. Shocks mounted on the billet top mounts. Also, I don't know if I showed you the bed since it got painted with bed liner, but yeah, turned out really nice. I should have the front brakes later this afternoon. I got a notification that they were out for delivery. Just regular Girling 54 calipers, G60 mounting brackets. Nothing special, but it would be nice to have the brakes on so I can make the brake lines and make all that finalized. It's just something I despise doing. I can fabricate just about anything, but brake lines and pipes and everything that has to do with brakes is so boring. Yeah, I think that will do it for this update. Just a quick update. Engine trans in the car. Also, I have the engine is, it looks like it's kind of high up, but it does clear the hood. It's very tight, but I wanted the engine up high so I could make space for like intercooler, and yeah, it makes a lot of space since the intake like bends up. The plenum is right here, so I wanted as much space for intercooler and hopefully a radiator here, but we'll see. Yep, that's gonna do it for this update. Thank you for watching.